So hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Mcbaj, a portrait and fashion photographer and also a filmmaker based in London, UK. So today I want to show you guys how I actually edit male portraits. It's gonna be quite easy. I already made a video on my channel on actually how I shot this image using color gels and all, which is I'm gonna put a link or a card right up on this video so you guys can like watch that video if you haven't seen that. And guys, don't forget to like subscribe and hit the like icon for me to like, and yeah, turn on the post notification bell so you get notified when I post new videos. So without further ado, let's jump straight into this tutorial. So to start off this image, like every other image, I try to like take off blemishes from my model skin first though. So I actually show him, he's actually not like a model, so but I came across his page on Instagram. As soon as I came across his page, I was like, you know, this guy, I just need to shoot him. Like he just had like a very nice feature to me which I found really interesting to shoot. So yeah, I'm going to jump into this video right away. So what I'm going to start off with is I'm going to start off by using the frequency separation to edit this image. So how I'm going to do that is I'm going to play my action, my frequency separation action, which I have up here on my channel. Should in case you don't have this action, you can actually like download this action. I might place a link down below, or I will place a link down below on this video should in case you don't have that. So I'm going to use a radius of about, let's use a radius of about 10. The reason why I'm using a radius of about 10 is because I know he's a guy and I don't want to smoothen his skin totally so it doesn't look like too plasticky. So I'm going to click on that. Then I'll go to the high frequency layer to take off the blemish from his face. So, and after I've done that, I'm going to click on my clone stamp tool. And after clicking on my clone stamp tool, I would now like zoom in and use the Alt button to select the good area and paint over the bad area. Clone stamp tool to take away the blemish, and as you guys can see right here, on the current layer, as you guys can see, and basically just taking away the blemish from my model's face. So and guys, if you notice, I'm actually also like zooming in and zooming out to just make sure I'm taking away, or I can see my image in like a wider scale. So at this point I can say I'm actually done taking away blemishes. This other bits left in the model skin, I would use the low frequency to take care of. So I'm going to jump into the low frequency layer right now, and I'm going to be using the mixer brush too for this, and I'm going to paint over my image right now. So how I'm actually painting is I'm painting the shadow bits around the shadow bits and also the highlight around the highlight. I'm not dragging the highlight into the shadow area, because if you do that, you're going to more like smudge the image and start looking very fake and unreal. At the same time, while you're trying to do this, you need to bear in mind that this is a guy and you need to keep his facial features. You don't want him looking very smooth as if he's a lady with like perfect skin and all. I think it's just more like personal preference for me though. I just don't like having my male models skin looking very much perfect, because I want to be able to have like a grunginess in a male feature. And that's more reason why anytime I'm actually shooting a male model, I actually lean towards shooting with a hard light, because it tends to like, you know, it tends to show more of the details and features of my subjects. The soft light literally is more like for beauty images, so my models can look perfect, but for a male model I lean towards a hard light. As you guys can see, the hard shadow around. So guys, I need to show you the before and after of this image right now. This is the before and here's the after. Let me zoom into the image and show you the before and the after. You can see it's just little minute changes that actually make an image look really nice. So this is just personal preference. I could decide to do a dodge and burn to like clean up the image a little bit more, but I could as well decide to stop the image right here. But I would just love to like do a little bit of dodge and burn using my normal brush tool, and I have to put the flow in about 3, as you guys can see here. I'll put the flow in about 3 or 2%. So I'm going to use a black, which is a burn tool right now, and paint over this white area just to make it look a little bit more even and not too patchy. Okay. So I'm just gonna paint around it just a little bit, just to take off a little bit of the patches, but it's not like the patches shouldn't be there. The patches are meant to be there because he's a guy. So this just adds more to the masculinity of him. So after I've done this right now, just paint a little bit more. Gonna dodge this area a little bit. Great. So after doing this right now, I can as well say I am done with the edit of this male model. Let me show you guys the before and after. Before and after, before and after. So I could say I am good with this particular image. Any other thing I need to do would basically be more like me just adding a little bit more contrast if needed to this particular image. But I think the way I actually did the raw processing of this image already, the image looks perfect to me, so I could as well just say I'm done with this image. So guys, thanks for watching this tutorial. It's just a really quick tutorial, just a short one. Now I actually edit male models, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button guys, and also click the bell notification icon to get notified when I post new videos weekly. Cheers guys.